if you want to do some quick editing, you can do with free softwares like DaVinci Resolve is one. If you have a powerful PC, you can do DaVinci Resolve. You can go with DaVinci Resolve. And if you have a small an average PC which is not that powerful, you can use softwares like Shotcut is a free app. And then you have Openshot. This is all again a free app. Then you have something like Hitfilm Express. You can find it on internet. You just search on Hitfilm Express. So Hitfilm Express is also a free software on PC. Maybe it is also available on Mac. I'll suggest one paid app for video editing on PC. It is called Filmora X. Now the Filmora's version 10. It is quite resource friendly. That means you don't need to have a pretty powerful PC to run Filmora X. It is not free, but it is not too costly. It is one-time payment, but it is lifetime, that you don't have to purchase any subscription like Adobe Premiere, Creative Cloud, or like that. Adobe produces softwares like Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, Acrobat, etc. Right? The thing is that Adobe now has only subscription model. You cannot buy the software as it is. You have to buy a subscription. You may have to pay for subscription. What you may not know is that when you buy a subscription, you can always talk to their customer care and bargain for some deal. So if you wish to get any Adobe subscription, before going to subscribe, before paying anything, you just hit customer care in the chat box. When you go to Adobe's website, you can contact the help using the chat box on the corner of the website, and then talk to them. Ask them for a discount. They may give you a discount, which is a little bit secret that I know myself. So you can get softwares at a lesser cost if you wish.